All right, welcome to my exploded retractable keychain. So I took off the top and the clip, and it's just a Phillips head screwdriver. Luckily, my spring is still intact. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of take this chain. I'm just going to refeed it into the channel here, and kind of try to keep that as straight as possible, so that links remain flat. Each link, I'm spinning it around. Just keep coming around. Lay it nice and flat. Spinning, spinning, spinning. When we get to the end, it's going to get exciting. So what's going to happen is going to be a little bit of slack at the end, and we're going to deal with that because we don't want slack. We want everything nice and snug. So as you get to the end, you can see, look at this little bit of slack I have. That's no good. So I'm just going to keep spinning around, and as I do, I'm going to get it in as much as I can, and then I'm going to start pulling the chain a little bit. Pull it out, keep spinning. I'm going to get myself back to the hole by spinning the keychain instead of spinning the chain. There we go. It's lining up, lining up, lining up, and boom. Okay, now I've got some nice tension also. So let me get that little eyelet in there, right? Little guiding eyelet. The guiding eyelet. Sounds like a soap opera. Okay, that's the guiding light. All right, I'm gonna put this back on. Got to keep that hole there kind of lined up with that eyelet. Kind of holding on so it doesn't. There's not too much spring pressure here, so it's not too difficult to hold. Of course, filming makes me nervous. Just gonna cap that right on top of that eyelet, and bum bum bum. There we go. Okay. Okay, there we go. See, nice. Look at all that beautiful tension there. We got that because when we got to the end, we just kind of started pulling on the spring just a wee little bit. You're not trying to activate the spring the whole way around, just at the very end in order to get rid of the slack. And put the screw back in here, blah, blah, blah. This is all very boring. Screwdriver, you wanna know how to use a screwdriver? I saw a video where the guy explained how to use a screwdriver. Okay. Make that snug. I think occasionally you want to just tighten this up because otherwise it might explode after a couple of months like mine did. Whee! Isn't that fun? Great stuff. Here's my little pop socket that busted. Made in China. Okay. All right. Yay. Hope you enjoyed the video. Good luck.